In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an expense report in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can access all of the tools and features you need. If you manage multiple areas of your business in FreshBooks, taking a moment to make sure you're in the right account view can help avoid confusion before generating your report. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This section is where FreshBooks organizes the different financial reports available to you, making it easier to review your business performance, track spending, and prepare for bookkeeping or tax-related tasks. After opening reports, select Expense Report. This report is specifically designed to give you a clear view of your business expenses, helping you understand where your money is going over a selected period of time. It's especially useful if you want to monitor spending habits, review category totals, or prepare information for accounting purposes. Once the expense report is open, choose the reporting period for the report. This step is important because it determines which expenses are included in the results. You might select a custom range, a recent month, a quarter, or another available date range depending on what you need to review. Be sure to choose the time period that best matches the purpose of your report. If needed, you can further narrow the report by clicking Filters in the right-hand panel. This optional step is helpful when you want to focus on specific types of expenses or refine the results using available options, such as category. Filters can make the report much easier to analyze, especially if you're working with a large number of transactions. With your date range and any filters applied, review the report summary and the expense breakdown by category. You'll also be able to see individual expense entries along with their totals. This is the key part of the process, since it allows you to verify your expenses, spot trends, and confirm that everything looks accurate. If you'd like to do more with the report, click More Actions. From there, you may have options to print the report, export it, or perform other available actions. This can be useful if you need to save a copy for your records or share it outside the platform in another format. You can also click Send if you want to share the report directly. This optional feature is convenient when you need to provide the report to a teammate, accountant, or another authorized contact. And that's it. You've successfully run an expense report in FreshBooks.